Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Olymp Trade. To change your name in Olymp Trade, open the Olymp Trade application on your device and log in. From the homepage of Olymp Trade, go to the top left corner and tap on your human icon. Once you do that, you'll come across this page. Your name will be displayed at the very top of the screen. If you want to change that, click the settings button at the bottom. Now this will open up the settings menu. Under personal, go to personal information tab and click on it. And on the next page, you can easily change your name or nickname. Tap on your current name and then go ahead and write down a new one. Once done, click save and you have successfully changed your name or your nickname on Olymp Trade account. Changing your nickname and your name is super easy and it only takes a few minutes. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.